didn't last night.
Today is the first day with green beans.
Yum.
Yum. Yum. Green beans. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Green beans. Pierce.
Ah, yummy.
The two will love each other. Here it goes.
Are you ready?
Tastes different.
Do you like them? Yuck, it looks like poop in your mouth. Yeah? What do you think?
Yummy.
Yum. Yum, green beans. Yum. Oh no. Are you trying to get out of your high chair? Yeah? Oh no, it's on your nose.
It's good stuff.
Yum. Green beans.
And it's gone.
It's like Grandma Nut. Yummy! Uh-oh, it's ripped. Oh no! It's going everywhere.